The future of construction is not just about building big. It's about building responsibly. The future of construction is not just about design. It's about building smarter. Introducing ALUCOBOND Circular, crafted from 89% recycled aluminium. Out of our production waste to save resources and lower production emissions. Reclaimed, reimagined, reinvented. Aluminium is infinitely recyclable, with zero loss in quality, formability, or beauty. Let's tread towards a lighter footprint on our planet. By conserving resources, we cut emissions by 52%. Created from recycled materials, ALUCOBOND Circular helps minimize ecological impact, reduce greenhouse gases, and drive sustainability forward. This is the power of reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is our promise towards a circular economy.